Dear students, we are going to learn about adjoint and inverse of a matrix. Let us define adjoint of a matrix. If A is a given matrix, a new matrix formed by transposing the cofactors of the corresponding elements of A is called adjoint or adjugate. Let us clarify it with an example. Find the adjoint of matrix 3 1 2 4. First of all, we have to find out the cofactors. Cofactor of A, cofactor of the element 3 is, you have to suppress this row, this column. So 4. The positional symbol of the element 3 is positive, so cofactor of 3 is 4. Cofactor of 2, suppress this row, this column, 1. Sign of the position of the second element of the first row is negative, so it will be -1. Cofactor of 1 equals to this row suppress, this column suppress, 2, and positional sign is negative, so -2. Next, cofactor of the element 4 equal to, suppress this row, suppress this column, 3, and positional sign also positive, so 4 minus 1 minus 2 3 is the cofactor of this matrix. Therefore, adjoint of A equal to 4 minus 1 minus 2 3, because according to definition we transpose this matrix to get the adjoint of the matrix. Therefore, adjoint of A equals to this matrix. Example 2. Find the adjoint of the matrix this. In order to find the adjoint of a 3 cross 3, you have to remember the positional symbol, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. These are the positional symbol of the cofactors of the corresponding elements. Adjoint of the given matrix, cofactor of 1 equal to this row suppress, this column suppress, this portion 1 0 minus 2 4. Cofactor of 2, positional symbol is negative, so minus this row suppress, this column suppress, 3 minus 2 minus 2 4. Cofactor of -3, this row suppress, 3 minus 2 1 0. Cofactor of 3, this row suppress, so 2 0 minus 3 4. cofactor of 1, this row suppress, this column suppress. 1 minus 2 minus 3 4, this sign will be negative, this sign will be negative. Now cofactor of minus 2 equal to, this row suppress, this column suppress. 1 minus 2 2 0. Cofactor of this minus 2, this row suppress, this column suppress. 2 1 minus 3 minus 2, and sign is positive. Cofactor of 0, cofactor of 0 equals to, this row suppress, this column suppress. 1 3 minus 3, 1 3 minus 3 minus 2, and symbol is negative. Now cofactor of 4, this row suppress, this column suppress. 1 3 2 1, and positional sign is positive. Let us calculate. Four plus 0 minus this cross this, 12 minus 4, 0 plus 2, 4 2s are 8, 0 negative sign. 4 minus 6 negative sign. 0 plus 4 minus 4 plus 3 minus of minus 2 plus 9. 1 minus 6. 4 minus 8, 2 minus 8 minus 2 minus 4, and minus 1 minus 7 minus 5. As we got this matrix, but this matrix is not the adjoint. Adjoint of this matrix, actually the transpose of this matrix, that is transpose of this. I put T here. Now T again, let us transpose it now. 4 minus 8, 2 minus 8 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 minus 7 5. Which is the adjoint of the given matrix? To find the inverse of a matrix, we need to know the conception of singular and non-singular matrix. If we consider a square matrix as a determinant, and if its value is 0, then we call it singular matrix. Like minus 5, 10, 3, minus 6 is a matrix, and determinant of minus 5, 10, 3, minus 6 equal to 30 minus 30 results in 0. so it's a singular matrix. Let us take another matrix like 3 4 1 2, and its determinant value 6 minus 4 equal to 2, which is not equal to 0. So we can say this matrix is a non-singular matrix. Now if A is a non-singular matrix, that means A not equal to 0, then A inverse equals to ADJA, means adjoint A by determinant of A. So in order to find out A inverse, a matrix should be non-singular, that is determinant value of the matrix should be non-zero. Now we already know how to find out adjoint of a matrix, and we can find the determinant value of a matrix. So we easily can find out inverse of a matrix. Find the inverse of the matrix. Find the inverse of the matrix 5 minus 3 1 4. Let A equal to 5 minus 3 1 4. Let us see whether it is singular or non-singular. 20 plus 3 23, which is not equal to 0, which is a non-singular matrix. So inverse exists. Adjoint A equal to cofactor of 5 is 4, cofactor of 1 is minus 3, cofactor of minus 3 is 1, cofactor of 4 is 5, transpose. Therefore 4 minus 1 3 5, transpose of this equal to 4 3 minus 1 5, which is the adjoint of A. Now A inverse adjoint of A by determinant A. We got determinant A 1 by 23, so 1 by 23 4 3 minus 1 5 is the required inverse. We are going to find the inverse of this third order matrix. First we have to find out the adjoint of A. Cofactor of 1 equals to these row suppress, minus 1 2 3 minus 1. Second element, so negative cofactor of these row suppress, this column suppress, 2 3 3 minus 1. Cofactor of this row suppress 2, 3, minus 1, 2. Cofactor of these row suppress, this column suppress 1, 2, 1, minus 1. Negative sign will be there. Cofactor of this minus 1, these row suppress, this column suppress 1, 3, 1, minus 1. 1, 3, 1, minus 1. Cofactor of these three, these row suppress, this column suppress 1, 3, 1, 2. Now cofactor of 3, this row suppress, this column suppress 1, minus 1, 1, 3. Cofactor of these two, this row suppress, this column suppress 1, 2, 1, 3. Cofactor of this minus 1, this row suppress, and its sign will be negative. Now cofactor of this minus 1, this row suppress 1, 2, 1, minus 1. We have to put a transpose symbol. Now 1 minus 6 minus of minus 2 minus 9 4 plus 3, this symbol will be negative. Now minus of minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 2 minus 3 3 plus 1 minus of 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 11 7 3 minus 4 1 4 1 minus 3. Now det A equals to therefore A inverse equal to adjoint A by determinant A 1 by 13. Adjoint A means minus 5 11 7 3 minus 4 1 and 4 minus 1 minus 3. I think you understood all about adjoint and inverse of a matrix. Now do this kind of sums at home. No more today. I wish you all the best.